Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In today's video, I want to show you our new offering, Enterprise Patching Complete, and talk through what makes it different from a traditional patching solution. When most people think about patching, they think about keeping applications up to date. And obviously that's important, but managing endpoints is more than just deploying software updates. With Enterprise Patching Complete, you're not only getting automated third-party application patching, you're also getting hardware lifecycle visibility through warranty insights, and advanced endpoint management capabilities through Right-Click Tools Enterprise. Let's take a look at what you get with this package. We'll start with Right-Click Tools patching. One of the biggest challenges for endpoint administrators is keeping third-party applications updated across their environment. Packaging updates, testing them, and making sure they're deployed consistently can take a lot of time. Right-Click Tools patching helps simplify that process with access to the industry's largest catalog of over 6,900 curated and tested applications. Instead of manually packaging updates, you can automate deployments and keep applications current with significantly less effort. It truly is a set it and forget it type of approach to application management. For a lot of teams, that means spending less time maintaining application updates and more time working on projects that actually move the business forward. In addition to application patching, you also get access to warranty insights. Warranty Insights automatically collects warranty information for supported devices across hundreds of OEMs and gives you visibility into the hardware you're managing. Instead of keeping spreadsheets or checking manufacturer websites every time someone asks you about the device age or warranty status, that information is readily available to you. You can quickly identify devices that are approaching the end of their warranty period, spot aging hardware across your environment, and make more informed decisions about refresh planning. Enterprise Patching Complete also includes Right-Click Tools Enterprise. Whether you're managing devices in ConfigMgr, Intune, or both, Right-Click Tools Enterprise gives you additional tools to troubleshoot and manage endpoints more efficiently. For example, system information makes it easy to pull detailed information about a device that you're troubleshooting an issue on. Need to help a user install a piece of software? You can use Remote Software Center and interact with available applications remotely. And with console tools, you have access to common maintenance and remediation actions that help you resolve tickets faster. These are the kinds of tools admins use every day, and having them available alongside your patching and warranty information creates a much more complete endpoint management experience. So when we talk about Enterprise Patching Complete, we're really talking about a broader approach to endpoint management. You can automate third-party application updates, you can gain visibility into hardware age and warranty status, and you can troubleshoot and remediate devices across ConfigMgr and Intune using Right-Click Tools Enterprise. The goal here is pretty simple: help IT teams spend less time jumping between tools and manually gathering information, while giving them better insight into the devices that they're responsible for managing. That's just a quick look at Enterprise Patching Complete. If you'd like to learn more about how it can help simplify patching, improve hardware lifecycle planning, and streamline endpoint management, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.